The Midway Battle, Modi roller coaster second term, launched by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, authored by Gautam Chintamani. Which company has become partner with AWS, Amazon Web Services, to offer startup toolkits for entrepreneurs? Answer is Paytm. It was founded in August 2010, headquarters in Noida, UP, and CEO is Vijay Shankar Sharma. Who is the new president of FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? Answer is Sanjeev Mehta. The headquarters of FICCI is in New Delhi, founded in 1927. President is Harshvardhan, Secretary General is Arun Chawla. Which bank launches PNB Pride CRMD module tool? Punjab National Bank, founded in 1824, headquarters is in New Delhi. MD and CEO is SS Mallikarjuna Rao. Tagline is the name you can bank upon. The exercise Ecuverin 21 held between India and Maldives. What is the repo rate of India? 4% and reverse repo rate is 3.35%. Governor is Shaktikant Das. Headquarters in Mumbai, founded on 1st April 1935 in Calcutta. Who won Davis Cup 2021? Russia. The 5th Indian Ocean Conference addressed by whom? Union Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar. Who is the CEO and MD of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Itira Davis. Headquarter is in Bengaluru. Founder Submit Ghosh. Founded on 28 December 2004. Which country boycotts Beijing Winter Olympics? United States. Who were honored with Jananpith Award? Neelmani Pokhan and Damodar Mauzo. On the go wearable keychain was launched by City Union Bank and National Corporation of India. Panex 21, the joint military exercise, was hosted by Pune with BIMSTEC countries. Name the BIMSTEC countries: Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. She is a change maker program launched by National Commission for Women. Name the helicopter in which General Bipin Rawat passes away. IAF Mi-17V5 helicopter. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat passes away in a helicopter crash. World's oldest Test cricketer Aline Ash passes away. Indian first women psychiatrist Sarda Menon passes away. Here are some vocab. Antique, that means tricks. Apprise means to inform, किसी को सूचित करना. Illusion is deception, भ्रम. Childish is foolish and childlike is innocent.